Hello friends, welcome back to Journalism and Mass Communication channel. Today we will go through the process of writing a research paper, from selecting a topic to finalizing your work. Whether you are a student or a professional, these steps will help you craft a structured and a compelling research paper. So let's begin. Now let's talk about what is a research paper. A research paper is different from an essay as it involves in-depth study, data collection and analysis. It must present original thoughts supported by credible sources. Now, selecting the right topic is very important because choosing the right topic is crucial. A broad topic can be overwhelming while a narrow one may lack research material, so always ensure there is a balance. For conducting a research, gathering information is important, so your research should come from a reliable sources. You should avoid using non-academic blogs or Wikipedia as a primary references, and for important, you should keep a track of sources for citations. Creating an outline for your research paper is very important. That means structuring your paper, as a well structured outline helps in organizing your thoughts logically, and each section serves a specific purpose in presenting your research. Drafting your paper. Focus on getting your ideas down in the first draft. You can refine and improve clarity in later revisions. Revising your work is very much important. Editing is just as important as writing. Take breaks before proofreading to catch errors effectively. Reading aloud can help identify awkward phrasing. Citing your sources properly is very important. So, proper citations add credibility to your research. Always double check your reference list and ensure it aligns with the required formatting style. Finalizing your paper. Before submission, go through your paper one last time. Ensure that your arguments are strong and your formatting is correct. Thank you for watching this video. Writing a research paper is a step-by-step process, but with the right approach, it becomes manageable and even rewarding. I am happy to answer any questions if you have any doubt. Please mention in the comment box. Thank you.